Healthy meal replacement choices. A fabulous figure is easier and closer than you think. In this article, we are going to discuss healthy meal replacement options. For most of us who absolutely love the variety, diversity, and flexibility of meal replacement diets, it is incredibly exciting that there are so many choices to explore if this is the path you wish to pursue. In the past, meal replacement diets were ordinarily relegated to doctor's orders only, and the good ones required a prescription to boot. Today, this path to your perfect body is available to almost everyone, and if choice is your thing, there are almost too many to count. Read on, smiley face filed under. Meal replacement diet options. If you have read my many dieting articles, tips, and advice pieces both here and elsewhere online, you are undoubtedly familiar with my preference for the MetaFast diet. For myself, and thousands of other men and women, it has been the perfect path for my dieting goals. But there are other options as well. OptiFast is popular with some, and many of the protein replacement programs have added shakes and a full suite of options to satiate the needs, wants and appetites of their diet adherents, filed under. Diversity truly is key. One of the reasons I am a big fan of MetaFast, as an example, is by way of the phenomenal diversity in choices that are available in terms of meal replacement selection. There are, at my last count, over 60 different food options to choose from, including soups, bars, shakes, snacks, and drinks of all types and stripes. And considering I'm a person who thrives on variety, this has indeed made all of the difference for me. Even though I could a few of the tasty choices for every meal for sure. If you are someone who likes to keep things interesting, you will undoubtedly benefit from the meal replacement diet program choices to choose from, as well as the spread of options they offer once you do.